Most people think you need hours at the gym to stay fit, but in reality, just 10 minutes at home can give your whole body a powerful workout. This workout is perfect for busy people, beginners building strength, or anyone who just wants to stay active without leaving home. Here are the key benefits. It's time efficient, requires no equipment, engages all major muscle groups, boosts metabolism, and improves your mood. Here's the workout structure. 1-minute warm-up, 2 rounds of 5 exercises for 8 minutes, and 1-minute cool-down. Let's start with jumping jacks. They raise your heart rate, warm up muscles, and get blood flowing. Next, squats. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, lower your hips like sitting in a chair, then rise back up. Push-ups work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start in a high plank, lower your chest, and push back up. Mountain climbers build cardio and core strength. Drive your knees toward your chest quickly, like running in place. Hold a plank for core stability. Keep your body straight, engage your abs, and avoid arching your back. Finally, glute bridges. Lie on your back, lift your hips, squeeze your glutes, and slowly lower down. For your cool down, try stretches like forward fold and child's pose. After 1 round, rest briefly, then repeat the circuit once more. And there you have it, a complete full-body workout in just 10 minutes. No gym required. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new workout.